Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. I am Timothy Marie, also known as T Taught You here on the YouTube streets. So today is going to be this hair review from Asteria Hair. This is the hair that I'm wearing right now. I also did a video on how I install this hair. So if you're interested in watching that video, go ahead and click that little card, link, whatever, up there in the corner. So let's get into the specs. I love this hair, y'all. This is my third time buying hair from Asteria. I think I first started buying their hair in 2018, I think. Yeah, 2018, like the end of 2018 is when I first purchased from them, and it was bomb. So I kept on purchasing from them because I was actually really surprised by how nice the hair quality was in comparison to the price, because really nice hair is hard to come by for a price that is less than $400. So most of the time, if you're paying less than that for your hair, you're going to notice a difference in the quality of the hair, especially the longevity of the hair, how well the hair takes color, how well the hair takes heat. You're going to notice a difference in all those kind of things. But Asteria, girl, Asteria really did something. Sis did something with this hair, y'all. I have colored this hair, guess how many times? Guess, y'all. Guess how many times I colored this hair with box color. I didn't even use professional color on this hair the first 2 times because I had got this hair during quarantine, because you know Americans be real halfway with that. But I got this hair around that time, and I wanted some highlights, and none of the pro stores were open. Not even Sally's was open for me to get, like, you know, a better quality of color. So I went to Target and grabbed whatever box of whatever color to lighten this hair, and this hair took that color like a champ. Like, the fact that I even still have any sort of curl pattern in this hair or wave or anything is crazy, considering what I've done to this hair so far. All right, so believe it or not, this is only 18 inches. I'm short, so 18 and 20 is generally as long as I go. Like 20 inches hits me at my waist, like tailbone. So normally I don't buy hair longer than that because I just haven't ever really bought hair longer than that. But this hair that I have in, I had 3 bundles of 18 and a 14-inch closure. Now here's the thing about the closure, y'all. Guess what I did to this closure? I cut this closure. It was a 5x5, so you know those are pretty wide. They almost look like frontals. But as you can see, I have a really low hairline. Like, you see my baby hair is like, this space is all I got between, like, it's barely my finger could fit between my eyebrow and my baby hair. So like, and then at the top, it's like I could barely fit. I got 3 fingers right here. That's all I got for my forehead space. So frontals, I could never get really into it. Like, even if they're done right, I still don't really completely like the way they look on me, just because I feel like I'm wearing, like, I feel like it's just sitting on my head like this, y'all. All right, so what I did to the closure was I had made this hair on a U-part first, and I wanted to leave some of my hair out. So I was only planning on leaving maybe like this much hair out of my U-part. But then this weather was just, it was still hot and ignorant. So I was like, I don't want none of my hair out. My hair is natural, and it was just too much work to blend with this hair. So I decided that I wanted to add the closure, but I didn't want to close off the wig altogether and make it one full wig unit. I like it as a U-part just because it's versatile for me. So what I ended up doing was I cut the closure into 3 sections. And I'm so glad I did that, because I ended up dyeing this hair so many times, and I still had a closure from the original purchase and the original piece, and it let me like change the closure with how many times I dyed the hair. So the first time I didn't add any highlights to the closure at all. I just left it as is, and I dyed it black. So then I took that install out, got rid of that closure part, put this install in once I redid the highlights, and then I added a couple of highlights to the closure. But I still have a third piece that's left because I think I'm going to put blue ends on this hair. I think I want like some shade of blue or like silverish blue. Just because, you know, just because. So I still have that third piece of closure. But this hair survived it all. I am pleasantly surprised by the quality of this Asteria hair. The shipping and all of that was super fast. It was the same as if nothing was happening with shipments and delays. Right now, a lot of places are giving you like 1 to 2 weeks or even longer for you to get your arrivals. I've heard horror stories from people waiting on things for months now that still have never come. If you have ever had, I mean, I've had horror stories about hair. You can check out my other video on Juju hair about the horrors of Juju hair, because I was like doing this in the video and it was like snack, 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 and it couldn't even like go through my hand. But this hair, look at this. Look at me, look. And these curls, y'all, these curls are 3 days old. I co-washed this hair 3 days ago. This morning, I put some water in it and like took my ponytail down, and that's all I did. I didn't put any product in it at all. So I am really shocked that this hair is this soft still and this nice, given all the times that I slapped box color on it and did whatever to it. I can't even believe it, but it survived. So this hair still came in about a week, and there was nothing wrong with it. Great quality, all of that. I really have no complaints about this Asteria hair. I'm really surprised that the quality of it was this good. And I want to say this was like $170, y'all. $170 for 3 bundles and a closure. Now y'all know, for that price, you're often not getting hair that is great. But Asteria, they figured it out. So I'm happy with it. I'm definitely going to update you guys on what I end up doing with this. If you want to see how I installed it, like I said, you can check that video out on my page as well. I don't have anything bad to say. Asteria, y'all did it. Y'all figured it out. Y'all got good hair for good price, and that's gonna keep your business bopping, popping, schmopping. Yeah, all of those things. So check out Asteria hair. I'm sorry, there's people walking past my window. I'm like, what y'all looking at? I'm looking at my window. I'm doing my hair reviews. Y'all gotta look at my window and see what I'm doing. Anyway, y'all, like, comment, and subscribe. If you have ever tried Asteria hair, let me know how you like it, or any other brand that you may have tried that you like that is a good price for the quality. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Peace out.